Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into JavaScript promises, exploring a basic polyfill for promise from scratch. Let's jump into the code. The heart of our polyfill is the MyPromise constructor. It initializes the promise with a state, either pending, fulfilled, or rejected, along with callback arrays for fulfilled and rejected states. The resolve and reject functions are crucial for transitioning between these states. When the executor function is invoked with resolve, the promise transitions into the fulfilled state. It sets the resolve value and triggers all unfulfilled callbacks. This process ensures that the promises are fulfilled and any attached callbacks are executed. Conversely, if the executor function is called with reject, the promise transitions to the rejected state. The rejection reason is set and all unrejected callbacks are triggered. This mechanism ensures proper handling of errors and rejections in the promise chain. Now, let's explore the then method, a crucial part of promise chaining. The method checks the current state of the promise and creates a new promise accordingly. If the promise is fulfilled, it creates a new promise with the result of the unfulfilled callback. If rejected, it creates a new promise with the result of the unrejected callback. In the pending state, it adds callbacks to be executed once the promise is resolved. Now, let's explore how you can use the MyPromise polyfill in your JavaScript projects. We will walk through various scenarios to showcase its functionality. First, creating a new MyPromise. Here, we create a new MyPromise instance, simulating an asynchronous operation using the setTimeout function. You can either resolve the promise with a value or reject it with a reason. 2. Handling the resolved value using the then method. We use the then method to handle the resolved value. In this case, we log the resolved value and perform a chained operation after the resolution. Handling the rejection reason using the catch method. To handle the rejection, we use the catch method. Here, we log the rejection reason to the console. The catch method is a shorthand for then null, unrejected. Chaining promises. Promises can be chained using the then method. The value returned from one then callback can be passed to the next, enabling a sequence of asynchronous operation. Using MyPromise.resolve and MyPromise.reject, you can also create pre-resolved and pre-rejected promises using MyPromise.resolve and MyPromise.reject. These methods return promises that are immediately resolved or rejected.
For your convenience, I have provided a CodeSandbox link with the entire code since showing it all at once in the video was very challenging. Check the video description for the link.
Thank you for joining us today as we explored the inner workings of a basic promise polyfill. Understanding these core concepts will empower you to handle asynchronous operations effectively. If you found this content valuable, consider liking and subscribing for more in-depth discussions. Happy coding!